This is one of those simple Chinese meals my daughter grew up eating. Tomatoes, eggs, noodles, and a few pantry ingredients. Recently, she asked me to make it again for her and her boyfriend, so I thought this is exactly the kind of home cooking worth sharing. Prep the tomatoes, cucumber, green onions, and garlic. I like to scramble the eggs first and keep them soft. This will go back into the sauce later, so there's no need to overcook them here. The sauce starts with green onion, garlic, and then tomatoes with a dash of salt. Once the tomatoes soften, they become the base of the sauce. A cube of chicken bouillon with a cup of water make it savory and gives the noodles enough flavor. Add the eggs back into the sauce. Taste the sauce. It should taste a little saltier than usual because the noodles will absorb and balance the flavor. Boil the noodles in a pot of boiling water. My package said 12 minutes, but they were already done around 7 minutes. So trust but verify. I like to rinse the noodles in cold water, then add all the tomato egg sauce on top. Cucumber keeps it fresh. A little Japanese or other type of vinegar and chili sauce are optional, but this adds more dimensions to the flavor. This is simple Chinese comfort food for lunch or dinner. Nothing fancy, just a bowl of noodles that taste like home. Mix and enjoy. A perfect dish for a hot summer day. Thanks for stopping by at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.